The shortcut that I'll be showing you over here will save your friendships. So in just one tap, it sends out birthday wishes to your friends who are celebrating this big day. So let's have a look at the text message over here. So we have configured it such that it's able to send the message to them. So in this video, I'll show you how you can set this up along with a few other shortcuts. So over here, we're in the shortcut tab and I'll just create a new shortcut. So the first step is to really find the context of those who are celebrating their birthday. So we'll have to select the action here. Okay, we'll select this. So we'll find our context, but we'll have to input a filter. And this filter is really essential as it helps us to find out context of those who are celebrating their birthday today. Okay, so now that we have this information, we are gonna set in a repeat. Okay, I'll show you what is the purpose of it later on. So for now, we'll just proceed to add in a send message option. And we'll proceed to bring this tile under the repeat action such that it will look through the context and then it will send this message one by one. So over here, we're just going to change the message. And let's just start off with a hello. Okay, and perhaps we can also add in the name of the person that we're addressing this message to. So in this case, we are going to put in a variable called first name. Okay, so this ensures that all of our messages are customized. Okay, and thereafter we can proceed to write the birthday wishes. In this case, I'll just go for something simple. Happy birthday to you. Okay, and enjoy the day. Okay, so let me just complete this content here. Okay, so our content is done. Right now it's just the recipient. We also want it to be a variable. So you just repeat the item from the top. Okay, so now this shortcut has been configured. We can just add in a show text. And the purpose of having this show text action is to let you as a user understand which of these contexts have received your birthday messages. Okay, so we're just going to put in a template text over here. So birthday wishes have been sent to, then underneath it, we will put in the context. Okay, so I just complete this header. Okay, and underneath that is where we want to get the context from the above. Okay, so this context, we can include the first name instead. You can change it to middle name or last name if you prefer to. Okay, so I'll just close this off. And we can just give it a try later on. For now, I think it all looks good. And we have the repeat action, we have the message to be sent, and finally, to show the text message. Before I test this shortcut, I'll just proceed to rename it. So because we are sending this on a daily basis, later I'll show you how you can automate it. For now, we just name the shortcut as send daily birthday wishes. Okay, I'll just complete this naming over here. Okay, and for the icon, we can also perhaps change the colors and also change the icon that we're seeing. Okay, so it all looks good. Now that we have created the shortcut, we need to automate it such that on a daily basis, it will actually help us to send those birthday wishes without us manually interfering. So to do so, you just have to create this new automation and attach this shortcut. First, have to create the condition to which the automation will run. So it shouldn't be a monthly repeat, it should be a daily repeat over here. Okay, and we can just select the time of the day as well. So we just try to put it at a more reasonable time at around 8 or 9 a.m. 9 a.m. will do. Okay, so under these conditions, we can set the shortcut that we've created earlier to run. So we just type in shortcuts. So you look through the shortcuts that we have created. Okay, in this case, it will be the send daily birthday wish. So there you have it. The automation has been created. We can just have a look at it. So we want it to run immediately every day. And at 9 a.m., you will send those messages on its own. This is probably one of the best shortcuts and automations that I've ever seen because it helps to keep your friendships intact and ensure that you don't forget to send the birthday wishes to your friends. Okay, so now that we have seen this first automation, let's move on to the next one. I'll show you how you can find photos that are large in size so that you can identify them and manage your storage more effectively. So we create a new shortcut here and I'll just get the find photos action. Okay, I'll just type this in and we'll select this. So if you like to add a filter, you can also do so. They have the date and album filter, but they don't have the file size filter. So that is where we will have to look for an action that has this file size filter. Okay, so we'll just select the filter files here. Okay, so now we have two tiles. The first one is to find images. The second one is to filter. And over here, we have the file size option along with a few others such as file path. So we just want to make sure that the photos that we are getting is greater than 5 KB. Okay, so our filters are set. Everything looks good. Let me just delete these messages first. Okay, this is from the earlier shortcut that we have seen. Okay, we just do this. And let's head back. I'm just going to make a correction here. But instead of 5 KB, we're going to go for 5 megabyte. So our condition is now set where we'll be getting the photos that are of file size greater than 5 megabytes. So we're also going to have a quick look of the files that matches those criteria. So we just select this quick look option. And there you go. So when this is run, we can see what are the photos. Okay, so I can just proceed to also test things out. So we just hit play. And there you go. We have those photos that matches those criteria. So if you want to limit it to just 5 images, you can also do so to prevent this list from becoming too long. Now let's proceed on to the final automation. So this is an important one, especially if you use data on your iPhone. So over here, we're just going to head over to create a new automation. And at a certain time of day of the month, we want to reset our cellular data statistics on our iPhone. So we can just set the date at which we are built. Okay. And then we'll select the time. Rightfully, it should be at 12 AM where everything resets and we want the count to start from there. Okay, and over here in the actions, we're just going to search for reset cellular data statistics. Okay, so at this time, we'll have the statistics being reset and we want it to run immediately. So this ensures that your cellular data statistics is updated and at the same time also accurate so that you can refer it for any extra bill charges. So with that, I've come to the end of the video and I hope you like it.